It's aluminum pool fencing installation DIY. It took about an entire long weekend to complete this. Part of the posts are going on cement, which was easier, and then the remaining goes into ground. You have to use a pounder to get them down far enough, keep making sure they're level the whole way. This is the start to finish, surrounding the whole pool area for us. We have 2 gates. The front is a double gate. The back is just a single gate. But this is how it went from start to finish, and I'll link the product that we used. It was very DIY friendly.